Alright, hey YouTube, welcome to the second day of Nailmas, and please like and subscribe for more videos. In this tutorial, we are going to be doing a 3D hat. I'm starting with a dark blue background, and I have wiped off the tacky layer. On my tile, I will be mixing some white gel paint with some base coat using my 7mm detail brush, and I'm going to be making a sheer white color. I think I literally just said that. Using base coat. Yeah. I'm bad at repeating myself. So using this little bit of white, I am going to draw out my hat shape, and once I am happy with that, I will cure it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Alright, now that that is cured, I'm going to take my white gel paint at full strength and load my brush here. And I am now going to outline and also add little, I guess, like knitted sweater sort of pattern. Like I'm going to add little lines to the fold of my toque and little almost woven knit pattern on the upper part, and I will also add little ear flaps on the bottom of my hood as well, or on the bottom of my toque as well. I also forgot to mention that I add a couple of dots of snow as well. And now that I have that in place, before I cure this, I'm going to sugar it with a half and half mix of white iridescent glitter and matte powder, or you can also use clear acrylic for this mix as well. I'm going to sugar it, tap it off, and cure it. Now that it is cured, I'm going to wipe it off with a stiff brush to get rid of the excess. I love it, it's so cute, but we're not done yet. I'm going to use some base coat and put it on my tile here, and I'm going to use my detailer brush and apply it to the top of the hat and the bottom, the tail ends of the ear flaps, and we're going to add some lavender flocking powder just for a little bit of color contrast, and I'm going to use my tweezers to pick that up and drop it on. I will tap it off, cure it fully, and then we will be finished. Alright, so there is the cute little toque. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial, and I hope you all stay jazzy.